Let's welcome from the Volta region, Selorm.
Ago negana diko, many vane ever diko. I want to say a very big thank you to Team Selorm, my family, all the chiefs in the Volta region, MPs, DCs, MCs, and all the people in Abo and Keta. And not forgetting the teaching staff at Westfield International School, Klagon. I say thank you for supporting me and voting for me so far. Tonight, it's about entrepreneurship. And care comes to us naturally as women. And I'll be teaching you how to transform that gift into a business. Amuganto motokata, mfaduko motokata, akbenami, be aleke mille magbenye, le GMB, fe hulvliame, le peyame. Akbenami akata, maona irami. Thank you.
Hello, is this Kiddie Connect?
Yes, please. This is Kiddie Connect's childcare service. How may we help you?
One of my children is sick and I'm taking her to the hospital. I need your service in taking care of the rest.
Okay, hold on. We'll transfer you to our rep. So you see, emergencies like this occur especially to parents in terms of childcare. That is why Kiddie Connect service is here to offer a 24-hour around childcare services for busy parents with children from 3 months to 5 years. Our services are very affordable, ranging from 100 Ghana cedis per hour. Do you know something? As a client, you have 10% discount for recommending our services to others. So, when you are having our service, all you need is to give us your details and we'll be at your door. Mind you, our services are cleared of any criminal charges, so you as a client have nothing to worry about. As a woman venturing to this business, all you need is a clearance from the appropriate authorities, social media platform for your advertisements, and 500 Ghana cedis as a startup capital. In a day, we make about 500 to 800 Ghana cedis a day. You know something? It is my dream for me to establish a childcare services that do not only provide babysitting for children, but also support busy parents in their pursuit of social and professional success. Thank you.
All right, she's providing a health service. Her name is Selorm, and she's all the way from the Volta region. Jeanette, are you investing into this one?
Investing, but we will tweak it a little bit. Is that okay? Okay, so we are in the service industry, isn't it? First of all, the problem identified is a relevant one because there's so many working mothers today. I think maybe 10 years ago, if it was 50%, now it's 80% above. Mothers are working and they need help at home. So the problem is clear. Number two, I like your logo, but it could have been more friendly. I like the colors, but we're talking children, so it can be a little bit more friendly. Number three, let's talk about the way you receive the call. This is a service industry. Take your mic, do it again. Hello, I'm calling you. Hello, good evening.
Hello. Hi, good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you too?
I'm well, thank you.
You're welcome to Kiddie Connect service. How may we help you, please?
Thank you. All right. So look at the way you did this versus the way you started. Was it because you were a little bit tense? In the service industry, your voice is key. That's the first thing before anybody sees you. So it's important. If you do go into this, work on your voice. The second thing is with children. Before I leave my children with you, it means I trust you. Right? So brand endorsement is key. In your marketing, look for a way to look for word of mouth. Because if I trust it, then my neighbor will trust it. Then the other neighbor will trust it. You can see me behind chambers and I can share a few tips with you. But it's very, very relevant. Well done.
Thank you, Auntie.
All right, well done from Jeanette. Comfort, what do you say?
I love your Kiddie Connect. there are millions of young people who are finding it so difficult to find someone who can take care of their children. And sometimes, especially if they have an emergency, there's no one. So thank you that I know that I can call you. However, if you tell me that there's no criminal charges, I'll be like, is my child safe with you? So that point, that part, don't send your client, when you're marketing, what you don't want your client to think about, don't tell them, because then they start thinking about it. What if that is true? Okay. And then please tease out your what your business proposition is one more time, because it needs a little bit more tweaking, to bring it out more. But basically, fantastic service. You have a lot of people who would ask for your service, and who knows, you may even be able to market it nationwide, and you have regional branches in the near future. Well done.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Let's show Selorm some love as she goes backstage, and also some love to Techno Come On 20 series, helping her with the communication part of her hair business.
Hey, what's up? Like in Domia, Yakatani Mokponko Mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Yalem Kuranwe. All right.